Well guys, let's see what we have here. Now when I was looking at this item on Amazon, I normally look at reviews just to kind of see where they're at. Sometimes I don't. I just happen for the heck of it look at a review at a different, the same looking tool, but from another company. And then one of the comments was, hey, this is somebody else copying it, and that the actual originators were this CNC Handee Clamp. And so I thought, well, I don't want to get a copycat, let me go right to the original. So that's why I made sure to buy this one here. So this is an interesting tool that would aid you if you're working in a tight spot and you want to hold a nut or bolt, so that you can use this down in somewhere and then use your other hand to put the nut or bolt on when you're working on something. Here you see the gripper teeth, as it were, or jaws. And then on the other end you have the knurled nut that allows you to adjust the opening, and it slides on that body as you see here. Now obviously this is not meant to be used to tighten anything. You cannot use this like a wrench. All it is to hold something until you have gotten the nut or bolt started in an out of the way place. Now here's an odd looking bolt, and that'll also hold it. So your car or something, you needed to get it down into an area to hold it, or you brought the other hand in to maybe put a strap on it or do something else. You've got a long reach here. Really an interesting tool. Another use, guys, is compressing these clamps. As you see here. Then you can get in there and loosen it, turn it back and forth, get it loose from the hose.